Are there alternatives to dental implants? In the case of replacing missing teeth, implants are usually thought of as the gold most commonly used. Implants provide a long-lasting option that feels and looks as natural teeth. But they are costly and might not be a suitable option for all. If you're looking alternative options to implants for your teeth, there are a variety of alternatives to think about. Dental bridges. Another option to replace dental implants are dental bridges. Dental bridges are an artificial device utilized to replace the missing tooth or teeth. It is connected to teeth around it that act as anchors for the new teeth. Dental bridges can be a more economical option than implants and are an ideal option for those who cannot have surgery to implant. Dentures. Dentures can be a second option to dental implants. They are prosthetics that can be removed, which are utilized to replace teeth that are missing. There are two kinds of dentures: of partial dentures that can replace missing teeth, as well as full dentures that replace all teeth on either the lower or upper jaw. Dentures are more cost-effective alternative to dental implants and are a great option for those who've lost several teeth. Dental crowns. Dental crowns can be a great alternative to dental implants in the replacement of one missing tooth. Dental crowns are an artificial cap placed on a decayed or damaged tooth in order to repair its shape as well as function. Sometimes a dental crown may be utilized to substitute the missing tooth by affixing it to adjacent teeth. Crowns made of dental material are an economical alternative to dental implants and are an ideal option for those who do not qualify for implant surgery. Implant-supported dentures. Implant-supported dentures are a combination alternative that blends the durability of dental implants and the cost-effectiveness of dentures. The procedure involves placing dental implants into the jawbone as anchors to a removable denture. Implant-supported dentures offer more stability and protection than conventional dentures. They are an excellent alternative for those who wish to enjoy advantages of dental implants, but without the expense. Mini implants. Mini implants are a smaller and less invasive option to conventional dental implants. Implants are utilized to support dentures and replace teeth that are missing in locations with a limited amount of area or the density of bone. Mini implants can be a more economical alternative to conventional implants and are an ideal option for those who do not qualify for conventional implants. In the end, there exists a variety of alternatives to implants in the form of dental implants to replace missing teeth. Dentures, dental bridges, dental crowns, implant-supported dentures, as well as mini implants are all feasible alternatives that offer an affordable option to patients not capable of undergoing surgery to get conventional implants. It is essential to speak with a dentist about the most appropriate option to meet your particular needs and financial budget. There are many alternative options to dental implants that will help you get an attractive and healthy smile.